Again, the game is our potato race. So I'll be handing over spoons and potatoes to them, and I'll be standing here. So whosoever reaches me first would be the winner of this game. Okay, so we are just waiting for one mommy to come. They're all set. And go! She reached me first.
America.
Okay, now your name?
America.
So she has won 500 rupees gift voucher by Magic Holidays. Okay, so this is the 500 rupees beauty voucher that she has won. So big round of applause for her once again. Okay. Steady. Okay. Ready, steady, and okay.
So, सामने आ जाइए please.
So congratulations, sir. This is what you get from Magic Holidays.
तो मुझे खून तो जल्दी फटाफट ओके जय हिंद फटाफट जय हिंद वंदे मातरम जोर से
हम भी लड़ने जाएंगे मर जाएंगे कट जाएंगे देर की साथ
वेरी गुड
future of India to do the flag hosting for us. So any kid who is 3 years or below 3 years, please join me here on the stage so that we can continue our flag hosting ceremony. Anthem. This is the youngest kid here hosting the flag of India for us. Applause. Punjab, Sindh, Gujarat, Maratha, Jagir, Utkal, Ganga, Vindhya, Himachal, Yamuna, Ganga, Uchal, Jaladi, Taranga, Tav Shubh Naame Jage, Tav Shubh Ashish Mange, Gaye Tav Jaya Gatha, Jan Gan Mangal Dayak, Jaya He Bharat Bhagya Vidhata, Jaya He, Jaya He, Jaya He, Jaya 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 He.
Happy Republic Day. Jai Hind. I am very happy that so many of the parents have come here with their children to celebrate Republic Day in the form of Kids Carnival. Now the point is, how come that the Republic Day is linked with the Kids Carnival? These competitions. How come that the celebration of Republic Day is linked to Kids Carnival? And a few competitions, talent show by the children, performances by the children. Because we believe that the destiny of India is being shaped in our classrooms. Destiny of India is being shaped in our classrooms. These children, this young generation, when they pass out of schools, have to be empowered, have to have the faith, have to have the confidence, have to have the self-esteem that we can contribute in the reconstruction of our nation. In the present fast-changing scenario, there needs to be re-engineering the mindset and bring in lot of innovations into education so that these young children of ours can compete at global level. Knowledge empowered young Indians have shaken US, have shaken Europe. That these Indians, if they come and display their knowledge and ability to perform, perhaps they will overpower us. And this day, it's time to think, if 1% of our knowledge empowered India could make such a big difference at the world scene, what will happen if we prepare this young generation and empower them with knowledge, with innovations in education, with ability to compete at global level? Who can stop India to be the superpower? To achieve that aim for these young, and through this young generation achieve the ultimate vision of India to be the superpower. It's our duty as parents and as schools. I repeat, it is our duty as parents and as schools to empower these young with the best of education, with the best of values, with the best of discipline, with confidence, with faith, so that they are inspired and we together stimulate their efforts in the reconstruction of our country. This is the day, Republic Day, when we need to pledge ourselves, recommit ourselves to empower this young generation. And there is no doubt that we can. We have all the know-how. We have determination. We have willpower. And God has gifted each child with the best of talent. And it is for us to realize that full potential. It is our duty to this generation, it is our duty to our nation, and it is duty to the world. India always led the world. Today,